Hello, my name is Mike, and I am reading through study guide questions for aircraft maintenance technologies. The book that I am going through now in the chapter is chapter 1, and in chapter 1 is aircraft structures, and this is out of the 2023 Airframe test guide out of the FAA 8083 study guide. This is what the cover of the book looks like, and we'll start off with question number 1. Question 1-1. Which stresses does an operating piston engine apply to its airframe? A. Shear and bending. B. Tension and torsion. Or C. Compression and shear. The correct answer is B. Tension and torsion. Question 1-2. Which type of stress does a stringer in a semi-monocoque fuselage absorb? A. Shear. B. Tension. Or C. Torsion. The correct answer is B. Tension. Question 1-3. Which type of skin material would most likely be found on a monocoque fuselage? A. Fabric. B. Wood. Or C. Metal. The correct answer is C. Metal. Question 1-4. Which of the following creates a critical need for frequent inspections on a pressurized fuselage? A. Corrosion. B. Metal fatigue. Or C. Humidity and temperature changes. The correct answer is B. Metal fatigue. Question 1-5. Which of the following wing design features will provide the greatest amount of lateral stability? A. Sweepback. B. Dihedral. Or C. Cantilever. The correct answer is B. Dihedral. Question 1-6. Which of the following wing components are positioned chordwise within the wing structure? A. Stringers and formers. B. Ribs and stringers. Or C. Ribs and formers. The correct answer is C. Ribs and formers. Question 1-7. Most manufactured aircraft have wings, spars made of A. Laminated wood. B. Solid extruded aluminum. Or C. Spruce wood. Question 1-8. The purpose of anti-drag wires within the structure of a wing are to add strength to the A. Trailing edge fittings. B. Spar. Or C. Ribs. The correct answer is ribs. Question 1-9. Which term below is also referred to as a pod? A. Nacelles. B. Rib. Or C. Spar. Correct answer is A. Nacelles. Question 1-10. Which of the following can be part of an empennage? 1. Rudder. 2. Elevator. Or 3. Fuel tank. A. Only number 1. Rudder. B. 1 and 2. Rudder and elevator. Or C. All the above. The correct answer is B. 1 and 2. Rudder and elevator. Question 1-11. Ailerons control which of the airplane's axis of rotation? A. Longitudinal. B. Lateral. Or C. Vertical. Correct answer is A. Longitudinal. Question 1-12. To prevent in-flight flutter of a control surface such as an aileron or elevator, the center of gravity of the component is typically set A. Exactly on the hinge line, B. Slightly forward of its hinge line, or C. Slightly aft of its hinge line. The correct answer is B. Slightly forward of its hinge line. Question 1-13. Which device serves to increase the pilot's sense of feel when operating a primary control surface such as ailerons or rudders? A. Trim tabs. B. Balance tabs. Or C. Anti-balance tabs. Correct answer is C. Anti-balance tabs. 1-14. When operating at low speeds, spoilers on transport aircraft are typically interconnected with and operate simultaneously with the A. Flaps, B. Ailerons, or C. Elevators. Correct answer is B. Ailerons. Question 115. Which type of tab can be used in an emergency failure of the hydraulic system to move the controls of the primarily flight control surfaces? A. Servo tabs, B. Spring tabs, or C. Balance tab? The correct answer is A. Servo tabs. 116. The primary purpose of stall strips is to A. Provide added lift at high angles of attack, or B. Stall the inboard portion of the wings first, or C. Provide added lift at slow speeds. Correct answer is B. Stall the inboard portion of the wings first. 117. Which of these wing devices has the purpose of reducing drag created by airflow over the wingtips and so improving the aircraft's overall fuel economy? A. Vortex generators, B. Winglets, or C. Gap seals? The correct answer is B. Winglets. 118. The aircraft said to have conventional landing gear is understood to have A. Fixed landing gear which are not retracted in flight, B. Two main gear under the wing and a nose wheel, or C. Two main gear typically forward of the wing and a tail wheel. The correct answer is C. Two main gear typically forward of the wing and a tail wheel. 119. If a manufacturer's maintenance manual does not exist for an older aircraft, the correct procedures for maintaining that aircraft can be found by A. Consulting an A&P mechanic with inspection authorization, B. Consulting FAA Advisory Circular AC 4313 1B/2B, or C. Consulting a current manufacturer's maintenance manual of a smaller, similar type airplane. Correct answer is B. Consulting FAA Advisory Circular AC 4313 1B/2B. 120. To locate the position of a hinge on the rear spar of the vertical stabilizer, you must refer to the hinge's A. butt line, B. water line, or C. reference datum. Correct answer is B. water line. 121. Which is the location of FS 137, which is fuselage 137? A. 137 inches aft of the nose of the aircraft, B. 137 inches aft of the datum, or C. 137 inches aft of the aircraft's center of gravity? The correct answer is B. 137 inches aft of the datum. Question 122. Approximately what percentage of the airflow entering a helicopter's turbine engine is applied to the production of power? A. 25%, B. 60%, or C. 90%? Correct answer is A. 25%. 123. Which type of helicopter rotor system allows movement in the blade positions during speed changes to counter variations of centrifugal force? A. Anti-torque rotor systems, B. Semi-rigid rotor systems, or C. Articulated rotor systems? Correct answer is C. Articulated rotor systems. 124. Which helicopter flight control causes the rotor to tilt, thus changing the horizontal direction of the aircraft? A. Cyclic, B. Collective, or C. Foot pedals? The correct answer is A. Cyclic.